Hey, what's up? I'm going to teach you how gravity works. The first thing you need to know about gravity is mass. Mass is the amount of material in an object, or how heavy something is without gravity. This apple represents the Earth. Earth has mass, this apple has mass. The Earth has its own field of gravity, which means everything in its field of gravity gets sucked to the center of the apple. But the reason why objects don't get sucked to the center of the apple is because it doesn't have as much mass as the Earth. And I'm on Earth, if you haven't noticed. This isn't the moon. Yeah. That's why everything on the Earth falls to the ground, because we're being pulled by the Earth's field of gravity to the center of the Earth. Okay. So this pumpkin represents the sun. And the sun has more mass than anything in our solar system. And that means it has the largest field of gravity of anything in our solar system. So the Earth's field of gravity would be this apple, let's say goes to about here. The sun's field of gravity goes to about, say, here. The Earth stays in its field of gravity because of the momentum of the Earth's orbit. The moon stays in the Earth's field of gravity because of the moon's momentum of orbit. One other fact about gravity is if two things are dropped, they fall at the exact same speed, provided they are in a complete vacuum. That's right. If you drop a car, or a rock, or a feather, or a marble, anything.
Wait a minute, did you say anything? Anything. Anything. Yes, anything. 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 Anything.
If it falls, it'll fall at the exact same speed, provided it's in a complete vacuum. But the reason why it needs to be in a complete vacuum is because of air resistance. With air resistance, if you drop a rock and a feather, the rock will definitely fall to the ground first. But because of air resistance, that's why the feather will stay like this, and the rock will go like that, and the feather will go like that. Alright, let's talk about weight. Weight is weight on the moon. The moon has less mass. So on the moon, this pumpkin on Earth weighs 13 pounds, whereas on the moon, it weighs 2.1 pounds, because the moon has less mass, which means it has a smaller field of gravity. So there's less gravity pushing down on the apple, or the pumpkin, to the center of the moon. So it will weigh less, because there's more gravity pushing down on the pumpkin. If you look at a video of astronauts jumping gracefully around the moon, you will see that they are very light, and they could easily jump around the surface of the moon. That's because they weighed less on the moon, because the smaller gravitational pull, because of the moon having less mass. That's why they will hop around instead. They actually need lead in their boots to keep them from floating away. Alright, I hope that teaches you enough about gravity. See you later. Test 1. Hey, what's up? The first thing I'm gonna teach Hey, what's up? Hey, what's up? You're... Hey, what's up? I'm going to teach you about gravity. The first thing you need to know about gravity is mass. Mass is what gravity is all about. This apple represents Earth. Earth has mass. This apple has mass. But it... Oh my God! The field of gravity is from here to here. Not really, but down to scale, it's from there. Not really. Not exactly down. Whoa. Oh my God. Why do apples always juice?